This website can read your mind. Go to Google. Search akinator.com. Think about a real or fictional character. Akinator will try to guess who it is. Just answer the few questions Akinator asks about the person. If it is true, click yes. If not, then click on no. You have other options to such as don't know, maybe, or more. For example, I am thinking of a Bollywood actor named Sunil Shetty. Akinator will ask me different questions related to the actor. If I know anything about them, I can answer it according to my choice. Akinator has become an international web and mobile celebrity, and they are continuously looking for ways to improve it. Faced with an ever-growing mass of information, today's users need smart tools to help them find their way and easily get answers to their questions and expectations. Akinator uses artificial intelligence to guess the actor, singer, fictional character, celebrity, etc. you have in mind. During gameplay, Akinator attempts to determine real-life or fictional character. Akinator is now about to guess my celebrity in a second by getting all the answer from me. And here it is. Akinator guessed it right.